Today we are running the skills competition for the auto body. How I like to describe it, it's like the Olympics for the trades, and they'll be doing different components that are appropriate to the auto bodies.
Expect to learn tips and tricks that you won't pick up in the shop, because some things you do in the shop you don't do at school or other way around. It's a great program. I highly recommend it. You know, Nathan and all the other instructors, Rob, Ryan, Cecile, they're all great instructors. They'll teach you what you need to know.
We pride ourselves on having that high level of technical training, so that's a huge factor. I competed back in the day for the skills competition, and that really sparked that passion in me, that drive, the drive to do better, the drive for excellence. We try to bring in the best of industry and bring that along to the students.